Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. So my name is Anjigaur. Now I am going to explain you exercise 11.1 in trigonometry. Okay, see here. What is the first question given? First question is that in right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, comma 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A and tan A. So it is very easy to find the trigonometric ratios what he is asking. So just enter into the work note. Yeah, it's here right now. So let us, what is the given data we should write here? So triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Right angle, right angled triangle. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle and the sides are 8 centimeters, comma 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters respective 17 centimeters of the lengths of AB, comma BC and CA respectively. Okay. Now the what we get here AB equals to what is that AB equals to 8 centimeters and BC equals to 15 centimeters and CA equals to what is the remaining thing 17 centimeters. From the given sides, which is the longest one from the given sides? The longest one is CA. Yes or no? The longest one is CA. So CA is the hypotenuse. What is CA here? CA is the hypotenuse. So CA is the hypotenuse. Next, we have to write one draw one right angle triangle here. Yes. So now we have to name the sides A, B, and C, right? Uh, Now B is a right angle. B is right angle. Now what is given? AB is 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters. So here 8 centimeters. Okay. Next BC is 15 centimeters. BC is 15 centimeters. Next CA is what? CA is nothing but 17 centimeters. Okay, these all are in centimeters. Okay, no need to. I am not writing here, but you have to write. See centimeters, centimeters. Okay. Now we should find what he's asking us. He's asking us to find sin A, cos A, tan A. Sin A, cos A, tan A. Right. So we are going to find that values. So just I move this down. So I move this down. Okay. Right. We should find sin A, sin A value and cos A and tan A value, right? Right. So first we know the value. First we know the formula, right? What is sine formula? Sine formula is opposite opposite side by opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Am I clear? Right. Now, so what is cos A formula? This is sine A formula, right? What is cos A formula? Cos A formula is adjacent side adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is cos A formula. Then what is tan A formula? So tan A formula is opposite side by adjacent. Okay, now we got the formulas. Okay, clear? Okay, I am also clear. Right now, sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So in the given triangle, right angle triangle, what is opposite side? Your opposite side is this one. Okay, this one is the opposite side. So with respect to what we are seeing now, with a reference to angle A. See here, with reference to the angle A. Where is the angle A? Here is the angle A. Okay, this is the angle A. Okay, for what is this? This is angle C, right? But he is asking us angle A. So with respect to angle C, what is opposite side? With respect to angle C, opposite side is AB. But with respect to angle A, I will highlight C here. With respect to angle A, what is here opposite side? This BC is the opposite side. BC is the opposite side. Okay. So you remember this point, it is very important. So once again, I'm explaining. See here. So with respect to angle C, the opposite side is AB. With respect to angle C, with respect to angle A, opposite side is BC. Opposite side is BC. Remember or not? So this is very important, right? So if you misunderstood this, then the answer will be wrong. So please be careful here. Right now, I'm going to write here. Now, with respect to angle A, this is opposite. That is nothing but your BC. BC by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, na? RCA. You can write your wish. ACR. Hypotenuse is ACR CA. CA. Okay, na? Now, BC value what? Na? BC value is given 15 centimeters. And what is CA value? That is 17 centimeters. So your sin A value is completed. Okay. Let us move to the cos A value. So sin A is completed. I'm going to draw one box for the sin A. Okay. Sin A value is completed. Next we are moving to the cos A value. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle A we have to mention it here. Okay, adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A. Angle A. If you mention like this, it is very clear. Here also we have to mention opposite side of angle A. Okay. So now what is adjacent side of angle A? Adjacent side is AB. That is equals to AB. Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is CA. So now what are gonna values are here? AB equals to 8 centimeter by CA is what? 17 centimeter. 17 centimeter. Okay. Next, this is cos A value is completed. So if you know the formulas, you can write very easily, very much easily. You can write this one. So now see here. Now what we are going to do now? tan, right? Yeah, okay. Now for we are going to find the tan. See, tan is what formula for tan? That is opposite side of angle A. Opposite side of angle A, angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Okay, adjacent side of angle A. Now, what is the opposite side of angle A here? Opposite side of angle A is opposite side. This is angle A, right? Opposite side is BC. BC by, now what is adjacent? Here adjacent is AB. Adjacent is AB. So what is your value here? Your value is, so your value is BC is what here? BC is 15 centimeters and AB is, what is AB here? AB is 8 centimeters. Yeah, this is your final answer. Am I clear? So you should write first what is the formula for the given ratio sin A. What is sin A? Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. So what is opposite here? What is value here? So these are the values for your answer. Okay, this is your answer. You should clearly write everything in neat manner. Next we are moving to the next problem. What is our next problem is, our next problem, the sides of a right angle triangle PQR, PQ equal to 7 centimeters, PR equal to 25 centimeters, and angle Q is equal to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. Okay, I will change the page. Give a minute. So right. Now moving to the next question. So our next question is, see here, the sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ equal to 7 centimeters and PR equal to 25 centimeters and angle Q is 90 respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. So this is our question. So let us find out the solution for this. Yeah. So now the question is, the sides of right angle triangle PQR are PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, PR equal to 25 and angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So find the tan P minus tan R. Okay, right. So let us start the solution. So now first given that given right angled triangle, that is given triangle PQR is right angled triangle, you should mention it, right angled triangle. So the sides are, given sides are, given sides are PQ equals to 7 centimeters and PR equals to 25 centimeters. So right angle at Q, this is our hint. Okay, what is it? Q, right angle at Q. So here angle symbol, okay, it will come. So now I am drawing one diagram. So now right angle at Q is given, right? So now I will take one thing, right? Now, so Q is at right angle. This is our Q, this is at right angle. Next, P is here, and this is our R, PQR, right? So now, what are given here? PQ is 7 centimeters. PQ is 7 centimeters. Next, what is next? Then PR. What is PR here? PR is 25 centimeters. Okay, 25 centimeters. Now consider this as X. So the unknown value is X. We need to find this one. Okay, right. Enter into a solution. Now, according to according to according to Pythagoras theorem, what we have, PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. So we already know, right? What is Pythagoras theorem? The sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to hypotenuse square. So this is a Pythagoras theorem. We know everything clearly, right? So nothing but adjacent side square plus opposite side square equals to hypotenuse square. Okay. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So now I written as per the Pythagoras theorem. What is hypotenuse square? Hypotenuse square is PR. Okay, this is hypotenuse PR. Next, what is opposite? What is adjacent square? Adjacent is PQ. So sorry, QR adjacent, and opposite is PQ. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, I written this. Next, PR square is called. What is PR value here? PR is 25. So 25 square is equals to PQ. What is PQ here? 7. So 7 square plus, what is QR here? QR square. QR is X, unknown value, that is X square. Am I clear? So right, now I need to find the value of this. So just solve it, simplification. Yeah, now it is very simple. 25 square is 625, right? Now 7 square is 49 plus X square. So now the next step is, what is our next step? Our next step is that X square equals to 625 minus 49. Now I do here 625 minus 49. So don't mistake this silly things. So 625 minus 49. So now this is 15, right? 15 minus 9, that is 6. And this is 1 here. If it is 11, 11 minus 4 is nothing but, here 11 there. 11 minus 4, you should remove 4 from there. Then what will be there? 7, right? So next here 5 there. We have tried 5. Though our value is x square is equals to 576. Okay, no? Right. Now what should we do here? X equals to under root 576. So do you have an idea about what is the square root of 24? The square root of 24 is, here, see here, square root of 24 we get, right? Square root of 24, x equals to 24. We remove the square root. How means, see here 24 square is 576. So for the 2, this root 2 is cancelling. So we get the value, that is 24. So by this we got the value, this is 24. X equals to 24. We got the value. Now what is asking in the question? Is asking us to find tan p minus tan r, right? First we find the tan p. Okay. So one more time I want to draw the diagram, otherwise I will use the values there. Okay. First I will write down tan p equals to what? And tan p minus tan r, right? Tan r equals to what? Right. What is the formula for tan? Tan is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side of what? This is P and P, right? Adjacent side of P. Here tan R means opposite side of what? Opposite side of R by adjacent side of adjacent side of R. It is very important here. Okay, right? Now, opposite tan P, opposite side of P. So see here, this is P. What is opposite to the P? Opposite to the P is QR. Are you clear? Opposite to the P is QR. Opposite to the P is QR. So I am writing here, opposite to the P is QR. Next, what is adjacent here? QR is opposite. What is adjacent to the P? That is PQ. That is PQ. Okay, right. Next, so we should write the values here. So what is the PQ value and what is the QR value? So let us write them. So now see here. So we got the values, right? So what are the values we got there? So just I am writing. QR value is what now? Here QR is 24. QR is 24. What is PQ? PQ is 7 centimeter. So 24 by 7. This is your tan P value. Tan P value. Next, tan R we need to find, right? Tan R. Sorry. Tan R, right? We need to find tan R. So now tan R equals to what is opposite side here? Opposite to the R. See now, just I will scroll down. So right, it is clear. Right. Now, what is tan R here? Tan R is opposite side. What is opposite to tan R? So this is opposite, right? For this is tan R. So what is opposite PQ? PQ by what is adjacent QR? So now what is the PQ value here? PQ value is given as 7. And what is QR value we got? That is 24. So we got the two values tan P and tan R. So let us do the simplification here. We have to do tan P minus tan R, right? Yeah, we will do it. So now a tan P minus tan R we need to find, right? Yeah, we will find it. Now tan P minus tan R. Yeah. Now what is the tan P value? Tan P value is 24 by 7. Now what is tan R value? Tan R value is 7 by 24. So now we should do subtraction here, not the equal to symbol here, minus. So 7 by 24. Right? We got whatever the values we got here, tan P, tan P, tan R, tan R. Now do the subtraction. It is very simple. What is this fraction subtraction? That is 24 into 24. We get cross multiply this one. 24 into 24 minus 7 into 7. Cross multiplication. On doing cross multiplication, we get 7 into 24. Right. Now we do the 24 into 7. What is the value here? 24 into 7. That is 7 4 is 28. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 2, that is 16. Now 24 square we can write like this, right? 24 square minus 7 square by 24 square minus 7 square by 168. Okay, now what is 24 square? We already discussed it, right? 24 square is 576. 576 minus 49, that is 7 square, by 168. Since 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49. Am I clear? Right. Now do the subtraction. So it is very easy subtraction, right? If you do the subtraction, then you get the answer. That is 576 minus 49. Now it is 7 and here it is 6. That is 2, 5. Your answer is 527 by 168. This is your tan P minus tan R. This is your final solution. Okay. Your tan P minus tan R value is this one. Am I clear? So once we go to the entire problem, so see here what we did here. First, here given PQR is a right angle triangle and given sides are PQ equal to 7 centimeters, PR is equal to 25 centimeters. According to Pythagoras theorem, we find the x value. Then what is the tan P formula? Opposite by adjacent. Then we have written the values for what are the values for adjacent and opposite. Then after, now tan P minus tan R we are doing. We got tan P one value and tan R one value, then we are doing the subtraction, then finally we got the answer. So this is the answer for this question. Shall we move to the next question, right? Okay, why we are wait, we are moving to the next question. So now what is the third problem given? In a right angle triangle ABC with a right angle at B, so right angle at B, in which A is equals to 4 units and B equals to 25 units, and angle BAC, this is angle. So this is angle BAC. Okay, angle BAC equals to theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. So here theta, instead of theta we are getting here Q. So please consider it as a theta. Okay, right. Let us move to the uh, solution. Here I am starting the solution here. So first, given that given triangle ABC is right angled triangle, right angled triangle, right? Now what should we do here? Given right angle at B, that is nothing but angle B equals to 90 degrees. Okay, clear? Right. Again, given A equals to 24 units and B equals to 25 units. So angle BAC, given that angle BAC equals to theta. Okay. With the given information, we will draw one rough diagram. So it is very clear for us to know the all things. So this is our diagram. Now, what is given? Angle B is a 90 degrees. That is right angle, right? So this is right angle. So here A and here C. ABC. Okay, completed. Triangle is completed. So right angle triangle is completed. Now we should do here. So values. What are the values given here? Value A equals 24 units, B is equal to 25. So we are finding the which is the lengthiest one. This is 25 is the lengthiest one. So the we are writing it as a hypotenuse 25 units and A equals to 24 units. Right. So it is okay, fine. Now we need to find the unknown value, this AB. So let us consider this as X. Okay. Now if you find this one, then we get the values of that one. So now see here. So we should write what we write here. First, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So what is according to Pythagoras theorem? We know that AC square is equals to, what is AC square equals to? AC square is equals to AB square plus AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we should find it out. Yeah, what is AC given here? AC is 25. 25 square. What is AB here? AB is x. X square plus BC is what? BC is 24 square. So just I am writing the values. I am keeping the square as it is. Okay, right. 24 square. Now 25 square is 625. We already know this value. And next one, x square as it is. And what we are doing, 24 square is 576. 24 square is 576. Now x square equals to 625 minus 576. So what I am doing here? So I am moving the constants one side and variables one side. So I got here 625 minus 576. So now here then 15 minus 6. What is the answer? 15 minus 6 is nothing but, so here it is 9. Okay, next here 1. If you take the borrow here, 11. 11 minus 7, that is 4. And this is 5 minus 5, that is 0. So x square equals to 49. I can write like this. Then after, next what I should do here, x equals to, I am removing the square root and I am sending that side, that becomes square root of 49. So we can write as like this, 7 square is equal to 49, right? So now 7 square is 49, so I am writing like this. Then after we get x equals to 7. How I am getting the x equal to 7 here? Why? Because I am cancelling the square roots. Okay, square and root, then we will get x equal to 7. Right, now what we have to do now, then we got the value, right? So if we got the value, we should do one thing here. So here I am writing the value of x equal to 7. X equal to 7. Okay, this is x value, which is 7. Now what is asking? Find the cos theta and tan theta. Okay, now I am writing cos theta first. What is the cos theta formula? Cos theta formula is adjacent by, now one more thing I want to remember you here. So what is the thing is, so cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, but what is here, theta is important here. So here this is theta. Okay, so with respect to this, we should write the adjacent angle of theta. Adjacent angle of theta by hypotenuse. Next, what is adjacent to the theta? Adjacent is AB. AB adjacent. Hypotenuse, that is AC. So now AB is equal to what? 7. And AC is what? 25. So this is your value, 25 by 7. Next, cos theta equals to, we should write like this. Okay, 7 by 25. After completion of the answer, we should mention the answer very clearly. Yes or no? Yes, that is our duty, to mention the answer it very clearly. So right now, next moving to the next, what is that? Tan theta. Moving to the tan theta. Now, what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta equals to opposite by opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. Now, what is opposite here? Opposite to a theta is BC. What is adjacent here? Adjacent is AB. Now, what is BC value? BC value is the 24. And what is AB value? AB value is 7. Am I clear? So this is what tan theta. Tan, sorry, this is what tan theta. Tan theta. This is tan theta. So we should arrange it in box. Tan theta value. So we got the both values. So what we did once I explained. See here. See, first given data we return and find the unknown side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then after what we did, so what is asking us to? Asking us to find cos theta and tan theta. So as I wrote here, cos theta, what is the formula for cos theta? And I substitute the values. Then I get the answer. Here tan theta formula opposite by adjacent. Then what is the value we got? So I substituted the values here. Then this is your final solution for the answer. Am I clear? So next moving to the next problem. See the next problem here. What is the next problem given here? The next problem is that is fourth problem. If cos A is equals to 12 by 13, then find the sin A and tan A, where A is less than 90 degrees. Okay, it is very clear. We should do this problem in easy manner. See now, solution. So first, what is given here? So cos A is given cos A is 12 by 13. Okay, so here this is the only thing we given to us, he given to us, right? Now we know the cos formula, right? Cos A formula is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Yes. So adjacent is what here? 12 centimeters. Hypotenuse is what here? 13 centimeters. Okay, clear? Now I'm going to draw one right angle triangle. Okay, right. Now this is A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Now what is he given us? He given us adjacent side is to hypotenuse, right? That is 12 is to 13. 12 is to 13 is given. So now I am taking here hypotenuse as 13, right? So I am taking it as 13k. What is k? You are getting doubt. Here k is any positive integer. Okay, any positive integer. That is I am writing here. K is any positive integer. Any positive integer. K is any positive integer. Right. Now this is 13k and what is adjacent here? Sorry, what is adjacent here? 12k, right? 12k adjacent. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, we get the other side, unknown side, right? So just to use the Pythagoras theorem, I'm making it a little smaller. So using the Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what we will get Pythagoras theorem? As per the Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, right? AB square plus BC square. Now, what is AC square is given here? AC is 13 square. 13k square equals to AB square is what? 12k square. 12k square plus BC is what here? BC is unknown value x square. Okay, right. Now xk, okay, x square is enough. Right, now see here. So now we are going to solve this. 13 square is nothing but 169. 169k square. That is equal to, you can keep your k also. Okay. So k is a any positive integer. 12 square is 144. 144k square plus x square k square. Yes, it is right. And now that is 169. I need x square, right? X square k square equals to 169 k square minus 144 k square. So 169 minus 144 we can do here. 169 minus 144. 9 minus 4, 5. Is it right? Okay. 9 minus 4, 5, right? 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So I am x square k square equals to, so what is that? 25. So I am removing the case two sides, case there, right? K square k square. So it is not required to me. X equals to root 25. So we get here x equals to root 5 square. Then x equals to, here square and root is cancelled, then x equal to 5. So the unknown value is what? The unknown side is this. BC is what here? BC equals to 5. So BC equals to 5. So 5k, 5 as our wish. Okay, no. So now, so you can write as BC here. You might confuse here, but don't confuse. You can write is BC, or you can write something variable, unknown variable as x. Okay, you don't confuse. And finally, we solve the answer with the correct answer or not. That is important. So you can continue with BC here also. No issue with this. BC square, BC square, BC square. Instead of x square, q square, you can write here BC square also. No issue with that. So whether we get the correct answer or not, that is most important here. So whatever the you are using the variables, it's not doesn't matter anything. So now what is, we got all the values right, then we are going to find the what is asking us to find, then we are going to find that one, right? So now I should move like this, right? Okay, what is asking us? Sin a, sin a equals to, now what is the formula for sin a? Sin a is nothing but opposite side by opposite side by adjacent side, sorry, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now what is opposite here? So for the sin a, opposite, that is BC. And what is hypotenuse here? 13. Oh, sorry, what is hypotenuse here? AC or CA. Okay, CA. Now So here we got CA, right? Now, what is the value of BC? BC value is 5K. And what is the value of CA? CA value is 13K. So if I remove the that case, then I will get 5 by 13. This is sin A value. So we got the sin A value as 5 by 13. We got this answer, right? 5 by 13. Next, our duty is to find the next one, that is tan A value. Tan A value. Okay, we should find tan A value also. So now see here, we are going to find tan A value. So tan A equals to, so what is the tan A formula? Tan A formula is tan A equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now what is our opposite side here? Opposite side is BC. Yes or no? Yes. Then what is our adjacent side? Here adjacent side. See now what is the adjacent side here? This is AB. Now opposite side is what? So I am writing here opposite side is BC, right? That is 5K. Adjacent side is 12K. So if I remove this case, then I will get tan A equals to 5 by 12, right? So this is our final answer, tan A value. Yes, so this is our sin A value. So in this way you should do the answers. Check it, tan opposite by adjacent. Here this is angle A, right? Then opposite is what? This one is opposite. What is this? Adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. Next, sine opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? This. Hypotenuse is this. So opposite by hypotenuse. So clear. What we are doing, once I will explain overall. So first, he given cos A equal to 12 by 13. So I, as it is written cos A, we have the formula cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So I take one triangle and I given the adjacent and hypotenuse values, and I find the unknown other value by using Pythagoras theorem. Then I am going to find the values of sin A and cos A. This is your problem. We are moving to stepping to the next problem. So our next problem is what? If 3 tan A equals to 4, then find the sin A and cos A. So given 3 tan A equal to 4, tan A equals to 4 by 3. Okay, this is important. Tan A equal to 4 by 3. We have the tan A formula also. Tan A equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side of angle A. Here also adjacent side of angle. Don't forget this angle A. Okay. So now we have to draw one triangle here. So we, with the help of the diagram, we should do everything very clearly, right? Yes or no? Yes, we should do the everything very clearly. So this is the fifth problem, right? So we should draw one triangle here. So BCA, okay, right? So ABC we can write from. Sorry, this is line is not getting perfect. So see now. right. Now A, B, C. Okay, as same like what we are doing in the previous class. A, B, C. Okay. Now what is given? Opposite side by adjacent. So tan is given. 4 by 3 is given. That is indirectly given. Okay. We should do, transfer it and we should send this left hand side 3 to the RHS side. Then we get the 4 by 3. Then here opposite value is 4 and 4 centimeters, and adjacent value is 3. So opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. So in this triangle, what is opposite? This is opposite. So opposite is 4. So what is adjacent here? Adjacent is 3. This is 3. So we should find the hypotenuse. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, as per the Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is AC here? AC value is AC, unknown value, that is keep it as it is. BC is AB square is AB, that is 3 square, plus BC square is 4 square, right? Sorry, 4 square, right? It is not K, 4 square, 4 square, right? Now we should find out this. All right. That is AC, we don't know, we are writing as it is. 3 square is equals to 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16. That is AC square equals to 16 plus 9, that is 25. Then AC equals to root 25. Then it will come after the 20, root under the root, it will become AC becomes 5. We find the once another side, unknown side is finded. Okay, then we found the unknown side, then we are moving to the this one problem. So that is here our answer is 5. Okay, it is clear, right? Done. So next, what is asking us, that is a question here. So what is asking us, we should target that one, right? Sorry. Now what he is asking us, so we should do this one, right? Okay, so what is asking us, find the sin A and cos A. So now first we are moving to sin A. So sin A is what formula? Sin A formula is opposite by opposite side. Okay, so I am writing clearly, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse. Now sin A, this is the angle A, right? So sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? Opposite is BC. What is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is CA. Now, so what is the BC value? BC value is 4 centimeters and CA value is 5 centimeters. So your sin A value is completed. So opposite, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. Clear? So opposite is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So your sin A value completed. Next, moving to the next one. What is the next one asking us? As cos A, right? You should find cos A also here. Right, cos A. Cos A equals to, what is the formula for cos A? Cos A is adjacent by adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, what is adjacent here? That is AB. What is hypotenuse there? That is CA. That is nothing but AB is what here? AB value is what? AB value is 3. Then the CA or AC, no issue with this. Okay, we can take anything. We can take anything, no issue with this. So AC equals to what? 5. So this is your cos A. Cos A equal to 3 by 5. Are you clear? So what we did in this, once we go with this one. So first he given 3 tan A equal to 4, right? So he given 3 tan A is equal to 4. So I find tan A equal to 4 by 3. Then after tan A equals to, what is the formula for tan A? Opposite by adjacent. So I kept the values in the triangle, okay, right angle triangle. Then using the Pythagoras theorem, I find the unknown side. Then after I find the sin A and cos A. So once we got the triangle all values, then we will easily find the sin A and cos A ratios, right? So in this way we completed this problem, and we are moving to the next problem now. So the next problem is here. What is the sixth problem? That is, the sixth problem is in triangle. This is triangle, okay, in triangle ABC and in triangle XYZ. This is triangle, okay, triangle XYZ. If angle A, this one is angle, okay, angle A equals to angle X are acute angles. Angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos X, then show that angle A equal to angle X. So you don't confuse, question is very clear. So but here symbols are different, that's it. So I am writing the question also. See here, question I am writing. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A equals to, sorry, angle A and angle X are acute angles, then cos A equal to cos X, then show that angle A equal to angle X. So now first we draw one triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So now what is saying? Angle A equal to angle X. So this is one angle and this is one more angle. First suppose this is A, this is X. He already given angle A equal to angle X. So now for suppose this is C. So these both are equal. So this is both are equal. Why? Because he given that solution. Given a triangle ABC equals to triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC equals to triangle XYZ is given. In triangle ABC and XYZ, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos X. So he not given, we given two triangles, right? So he given two triangles. Those are triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Now what he is saying that cos A is equal to cos X. Cos A equals to cos X. Okay. So now cos A is equal to cos X in the sense. So now first find the cos A value. So what is the cos A value here? This is right angle triangle. Okay. Cos A value is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent here? Cos A. Adjacent is here AC. Adjacent. What is hypotenuse here? AX. Next, cos A is completed. Cos X. Cos X is, what is cos X here? Cos X. Same. Cos X formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. So now, what is adjacent here? Adjacent is X here, CX. Next, what is hypotenuse here? AX. He given that, what is he given? He given that angle cos A equal to cos X, right? So I am writing cos A equal to cos X. AC by AX equals to CX by AX. Then if I gonna cancel here, so this AX will remove, and this CC also remove. Then what can I say? What are the left things here? Angle A equals to angle X. So he asked me to prove this, right? So he asked me to prove, right? So I clearly proven here. Yes or no? It is proved, right? See now, angle A equal to angle X. So angle A equal to angle X. It is very simple problem. There is not at all any complexity is there in this problem. Just see one more time I will explain. So here, see here. So now, given that two triangles, what are they? They are triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Then he is saying that cos A equal to cos X. Cos A equal to cos X. Then cos A I written. So cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So I bring the here sides. What is adjacent here? Cos A. Adjacent is AC. AC by hypotenuse. AX. AX. Okay. Next, cos X. Cos X is equals to, what is adjacent here? Adjacent is CX by hypotenuse is CA or AC. Okay. So hypotenuse is, hypotenuse is AX. So when we are asking cos X, we should we should refer the X. Okay. When he asking cos A, with a reference to the only cos A should refer. This is the final answer for this question. Okay, it is very clear, right? Nothing is in this problem, nothing is there. So this is your sixth problem. Okay, to explain you seventh problem. So what is the seventh problem given here in the exercise 11.1? So see here, given cot theta equals to, so it will be larger. Okay, sorry. Given cot theta equals to 7 by 8. So we already know the formula for cot theta. What is formula for cot theta here? Cot theta formula is adjacent by opposite side. Okay, adjacent side by opposite side. So now, so I'm going to draw one right angle triangle here. So consider this as one right angle triangle and name the parts. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. Right now, what we are going to do here, just see here, what is given here, cot theta equals to 7 by 8. So what is adjacent side here? That is 7. So in this one, in this right angle triangle, what is adjacent? Let us consider this is theta. What is adjacent to theta here? That is AB. So AB equals to 7. Next, opposite side is what? Opposite side is BC. The opposite side is what here? That is 8. Okay. Now let us take K as any positive integer, k as any positive integer, k as any positive integer. So I am writing as 7k and 8k. Okay, right. Now I am going to find the unknown value, that is AC. So we usually find the unknown value by doing what? By doing Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, it's right. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Am I clear? Yes, right. Now, what is AC here? AC we don't know. We are writing as it is AC square. Now, what is AB here? AB is 7k, that is adjacent. So I am writing here AB adjacent, and opposite is what? BC. Opposite BC. Okay. Don't confuse here. This one I am writing for your clarity. Okay. Right. Now, AB square is equals to, that is 7k. 7k whole square plus BC square is equals to 8k. 8k whole square. Now AC square equals to 7k square in the sense 49k square plus 8k whole square in the sense 64k square. Am I clear? Yes. Now moving upside. Now what we will get here, AC square equals to 49 plus 64. K square as common. 49 plus 64. So what is the sum of the 49 plus 64? That is 113, right? So I am writing directly here. AC square equals to K square into 113. Okay. Now I need only AC, right? AC equals to root 113 K square. So now AC equals to what I get? So this is K square, right? I am showing you clearly. 113 into K square. So this 2 and root 2 going to cancel. So AC equals to 11 root 113k. Okay, am I clear? So we got the unknown value, that is this AC. The value of AC is what? The value of AC is under root 113k. Okay, so we know the all three values. So what is the question given here? Question is given that evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, right? So I'm going to solve this problem right now. So see here, now we have to write the formula for sin theta and cos theta. We know the values of sin theta and cos theta here. See now how we know this. So yes, yeah, first we have to write sin theta. So what is sin theta formula? Sin theta formula is sin theta equals to opposite opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now what is opposite side here? Opposite side to theta is 8k by hypotenuse is what here? Root under root 113k. K gonna cancel. Now what is left here? That is 8 by root 113. Am I clear? So this is sin theta value. Next we are going to find cos theta value. Cos theta equals to adjacent by adjacent side by hypotenuse. I am not writing clearly, so you should write fully. Okay, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So I am writing shortly, okay? Hypotenuse. Alright, now. So what is adjacent here? Adjacent is 7k. And what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is under root 113k. So k gonna cancel. What is left here? 7 by root 113. So we got sine value and cos theta value. So what we do here, we evaluate the given equation. Okay, let us go to that equation. Now first equation I am going to solve here. So what is the first equation is 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. This numerator part, okay na? Numerator part I am going to solve first. Numerator part, okay na? Clear. So now just I want to move like this. Okay. So now we have the values, right? Okay, we have the values. So I am going to move right now. So what is sin theta value? Sin theta value is clearly given, that is 8 by under root 113. Next one, 1 minus sin theta. What is sin theta value? 8 by under root 113. So if you observe clearly, we have one formula here. What is that formula? Is a plus b into a minus b. Clearly, we are clearly it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b, right? So what is a plus b into a minus b? Do you know? So that is, so a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Yeah, it is a formula since, okay, since a plus b into a minus b form. So now 1 square, that is nothing but a square, 1 square minus b square. A square is complete. B square is what here? 8 by root 13. Root under root 113 whole square. So this is a minus a square minus b square. Am I clear? So now we are going to solve this one. So now see here, 1 square is 1. Okay, next minus 8 square is 64 by root under root 113 square, that is nothing but 113 will come outside. So uh, if you are confusing, I will explain you. 113 whole square. So this is nothing but, so your 2 and your square and root 2 gonna cancel, then what we'll get here? 113. Okay, so this is the simplification. So you got the first value. What is the first value? That is nothing but your 1 plus sine theta. This value we got 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, numerator part. This is numerator part. Numerator part we got. Now we need to find what? We need to find denominator part. What is the denominator here? Once see here, what is the denominator? So denominator is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, let us find that one also. Okay, so we are taking here, right? Okay. So what is the new denominator part? So first I am writing numerator part, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. This part is completed. Yeah. 1 plus cos theta. This is denominator part. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Yeah. Now we are going to solve this one. This one we have to do now, right? This is denominator part. Denominator part we are going to do now. So now 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta value is 7 by root under root 113. 7 by under root 113. Yeah. Into 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta value is root, sorry, 7 by 1 root 113. So since cos theta equals to, we know that is 7 by under root 113. Okay, 7 by under root 113. So this is a cos theta value. Next we need to simplify this, then you will get the answer. So just you have to simplify this one. So I am writing here clearly if it is not visible properly. So this is cos theta equals to 7 by under root 113. Yeah, it's clear right now. So now what we are going to do here, just simplification. It is in the form of same a plus b into a minus b. Then we know the already formula, that is a square minus b square. Okay, right. So now that is 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 square minus 7 by root under root 113 whole square. Am I clear? Yes. So 1 square is what, Nana? 1. Next minus 7 square is what? 7 square is 49. And under root 113 square is what? Under root 113 square is equals to 113. That is 113. So what is this value? This is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. You can simplify you here how to simplify this also. You can simplify this also. So cross multiply this 113, this one I am multiplying like this. Okay, 113 minus 49 by 113. So you do this subtraction, simple subtraction. So if you take the carry, it is 13. 13 means 13 minus 9 is 4. Then here what? 10. 10 minus 6. Sorry, 10 minus 4, 6. Okay, clear. So that is 64. Nothing but 64 by 113. What is this 64 by 113? This is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Remember this point. Okay, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta value. So now we already got here this 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta value to. Yes, right. See, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. What is the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta? That is here it is, right? So simplify this please. So 113 minus 64 by 113. Yeah. So what we will get by simplifying this? What we will get? We get here. So we get, so 113 minus 64. You can do here 113. 113 minus 64. So in the same manner, 13 minus 4, 9. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, now that is 49. 49 by 113. Okay, this is your 1 plus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta. So now what is the overall equation given? See, we will do the overall equation here. So overall equation is, so we should just elongate. So overall equation is given here. That is nothing but we can do, right? So what is the overall equation here? 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We already know the values, right? So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is a value, right? 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta value. Here we got that. This is a 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus theta. Then 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta value. This is your 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta, first one is what? Numerator part is 49 by 113 by 1 plus cos theta, that is 64 by 113. So now we can write this as, sorry, we can write it is in the form of 49 by 113. If this fraction comes upside, it will become numerator becomes denominator, denominator become numerator. That is 113 by 64. So what is here common here? We can cancel this one, right? 113 and 113. So what is left here? The left thing is 49 by 64. So this is your answer for your problem. This is 49 by 64. So did you understand how I explained? See here. So once again I am going to explain you clearly what we have to do here. So just see here. First we are going to find the value of unknown value, that is AC square. Okay. So here cot theta is given. With the help of the cot theta we have to find the unknown value, that is AC square. So what is the formula for cot theta? Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So here adjacent is AB and opposite is BC. So I written. Next, so we have to find the AC square. So with using Pythagoras theorem, we find the AC square, right? So then sin theta formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but 8k by under root 113k. So k gonna cancel. Then 8 by under root 13. Next cos theta. So we find the sin theta value and cos theta value. Then after, what is given here, what we have to solve here, we have to solve. So we have to solve the given equation, right? We have to solve the given equation, evaluate. See this 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So I written here numerator 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Then, so we know the value of sin theta, right? So 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, and sorry, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write as a square minus b square. So you can find the value of, we can find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Then in the same manner 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, denominator part. So we got the values, two values. Then at last what we did here, we did here that, so just we are write the 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So writing the values. So this if you multiply this, then it becomes 113 by 64. So 113 gonna cancel. So we will get 49 by 64 is your answer. So this, in this way you can do any problem. Just with, if you are clear with your basics, you can do any problem very clearly. Okay. Now see the second problem. What is second problem given here? The second problem is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So we already know the values, right? What is sin theta value? Sin theta value is 8 by under root 113. What is cos theta value? 7 by under root 113. So I am just substituting the values. There is nothing there. So 1 plus sin theta value is 8 by under root 13. Next, by cos theta value is 7 by under root 13, 113. So just simplification is left here. So if you cross multiply 113 under root 113 plus 8 by, what is this, root 113. So by 7 by under root 113. Are you clear? Don't confuse here. It is nothing there here. You don't confuse to, so you don't have to confuse here. See, just I am going to erase small thing. See now. So see here. Yeah. Now this is your first fraction. So this is your first fraction part, and this is your second fraction. So this is a division symbol between two fractions. Clear? So now I am going to explain you clearly this one. See, so this first fraction, if you multiply, then it will become reverse. Reverse in the sense under root 113 by 7. Okay, so this is your multiplication. I am writing here clearly. See now, I don't want to make to confuse. Just I am writing very clearly. Yeah. 113 plus 8 by under root 113 into under root 113 by 7. So 100 under root 113 under root 113 gonna cancel. What is the thing left here? Under root 113 plus 8 by 7. So this is your final answer for your question. Are you understand? Are you understood? So now see. So this is here what he asked us. Okay. This question here, in the right angled triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second one, cos A sin, sorry, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So let us enter into the problem. What is the given data here? Data is, so a given right angle triangle ABC, given right angled triangle, given right angled triangle ABC, ABC, right angle is at B. Okay, so we should take the triangle in such a manner. Right angle should be at B. This is right angle, it should be at B. Am I clear? So A, B, C, these are the sides of the triangle. Now here given that tan A, so I am writing as tan A equals to root 3. So what is a tan formula actually? A tan formula is tan A equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side. So now what is opposite side here and what is adjacent side here? Opposite side is, so that is nothing but, for suppose this is your tan A, right? So opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. But what is given, we given here in the question, given only tan A equal to root 3. So how we are going to find this opposite by adjacent? So very simple. See here, just given tan A equals to root 3. It is nothing but root 3 is nothing but root 3 by 1 is also root 3. Yes or no? Yes. So we can write tan A as root 3 by 1. So indirectly we get the opposite and adjacent side. Here BC by AB. The BC value is, that is adjacent opposite value is root 3. So here I am going to take root 3. Next, our adjacent value is AB equals to 1. So in the same like a previous problem, we should take K as any positive integer. Any positive integer. Any positive integer. So any positive integer. Right now I'm adding K. K. Now I don't know the value of AC, right? Side AC square, we don't know the side AC square. So according to Pythagoras theorem, so according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Is it visible? A little bit I will. So now see now. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem says as hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. So now what is here AC? We don't know, right? So I am writing AC as it is. Now what is AB square here? AB is equals to root 3. Sorry, AB is what here? 1 square plus BC is what here? BC equals to root 3k, root 3k whole square. So here also 1k, okay, 1k whole square. That is nothing but AC square is equals to k square plus root 3 whole square into k square. So now what is the root 3? Sorry, what is the root 3 whole square? That is nothing but AC square is equal to k square plus root 3 whole square is nothing but root 3 is becomes 3k square. If you are confusing, here note it please. So root 3 whole square equals to 3. Okay, done. Next one, AC square equals to k square as common 1 plus 3. Okay, so here k is going to common, k square is going to common, so we get AC square equal to k square of 1 plus 3. Then AC square equals to 4k square. It is nothing but 4k square, right? So we need only value of AC. AC, so I will write clearly. Why don't you make it? So AC equals to under root 4k square. So can I write as AC equals to 2k? Yes or no? Yes. How means? So we can write 4 as root 4 as root 2 square. So the square and square root cancel, then will become 2. Yes or no? Then it will become 2. So AC value we got. What is the AC value here? AC value is 2k. So we are going to give the value. AC value is 2k. AC value is 2k. So what we need to find here? Sin A, cos C, cos A, sin C. So first we will go with the first problem. Okay. Only first problem I will take here. So just move aside. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So now see here. Sorry. So now, so what is here? Sin A into cos C. This is first problem, right? Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. So now, first we need to find sin A. Sin A equals to what? So sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. This is opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse. Next, cos C. Cos C equals to, this is a theta with respect to cos C. Okay. Cos C equals to, cos is what? This is sin is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So with respect to C, what is adjacent here? Adjacent is root 3k. Sorry. Adjacent is what? Root 3k. Then what is hypotenuse? Same, 2k. We got sin A value, cos C value. What we have to find? Cos A, right? Cos A. What is cos formula? Cos formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. So here cos A adjacent is what here? 1k. 1k by hypotenuse what here? 2k. Next, sin C. Sin C with respect to C. Sin C formula opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite what here? With respect to C. Opposite 1k. So then hypotenuse is what? 2k. So remove here case. This k gonna cancel. K. So what is the value we got here? That is sin A equals to root 3 by 2 and cos C equals to root 3 by 2 and cos A 1 by 2 and sin C equals to 1 by 2. So just multiply, very simple, right? Yeah, just multiply, that's it. Nothing is there here. Just multiply. See now. Sin A into, here this sin A value there, here we have sin C, that is nothing but root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Okay, next, sorry. Yeah, now next what is there? So what is the next one? Next one is plus cos A is what here? 1 by 2. Sin C is 1 by 2. Simple multiplication. Do the multiplication. You will get the answer very easily. Yes, it is very easily you get the answer. Just to give me a time. So are you clear with this? Is it visible? Okay. Yeah. Now see here. So yes. So root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square by 2 into 2. 2 square minus 1 into 1 1 by 2 into 2 2 square. That is nothing but root 3 whole square is 3 by 2 square is 4 minus 1 by 2 square is 4. That is nothing but 3 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 by 4. So it is very simple, right? So how it is simple? See here. Now Here both fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions. So here denominator 4 and here denominator 4. So directly I am writing 3 minus 1 by 4. So then 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 4. So if you're gonna cancel, what we will get? 1 by 2. Yes or no? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 1 by 2 is your answer. What is your answer? 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. So it is value. This value is 1 by 2. Is it clear? So we already have the values, just we need to substitute. So why don't we do the second problem very easy? We will easily do the second problem. Yes or no? Yes. So we can do easily, very easily. See now. So now see. Yeah, we can do it very easily. So what he is asking us? He is asking us to second problem. So I will start with the different ink, right? So the second problem is, yeah. Now our second problem is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So now we already have what is cos A value? Cos A value. Yes or no? Yes. Cos C, cos C value. Sin A, sin A value. And sin C, sin C value. And this is sin C value, right? So I am just substituting the values, that's it. Cos A. So cos A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Cos C. Cos C is root 3 by 2. Cos C. Next. Sin A. Sin A is root 3 by 2. Sorry. Next. Sin C. Sin C is 1 by 2. Just multiply, that's it. Root 3 into 1 by 2 into 2 minus root 3 into 1 by 2 into 2. That is nothing but we get here. See now. See, just very simple. Root 3 into 1, root 3 by 4. 2 into 2, 4. And same root 3 into 1 by root 3. 2 into 2, 4. Then nothing but. So root 3 minus 4 by root 3 minus 4. That is 0. Your value is, what is the value for this one? Your value is, that is, your value is the value of this is equals to 0. Okay, so very easy, it is also very easy, no need to, you don't confuse anywhere here. So just what we are doing here, just we are given tan theta equal to root 3. So this is a base thing. So if you are do this, then you can do this all this simplification very easily. So first you need to understand here tan equal to root 3, tan A equal to root 3 given. So how you are converting it into right angle triangle, how you find the remaining ratios, that is most important here. If you find one, then it is very easy. It is very easy, just substituting the values. Okay, nothing is here. So thank you for watching. If you all like our videos, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.